Hello everybody, I'm Robert Robinson. Welcome to this video. This is a roof done by Robinson Roofing. This is an Owens Corning 30-year architectural shingle, and the color here is Williamsburg Gray. These colors can look different when you're looking at them on a computer screen versus looking at them in a pamphlet versus looking at them in the store versus looking at them when the sun at different times of the day is actually hitting the house. So we hope this is a helpful example for you to see what Williamsburg Gray may look like on your own home. If you have questions, always reach out. We are here to answer them.